Hey guys, this is Jesse from Giant Scam. Just here to give a quick update for our VRML players because you might see something new, something different when you play your VRML match this week. Any room now, and this has been live for just over a week, any room where competitive mode is enabled, you're going to have these barrel boxes at each spawn point, so at each start station for each team. What's important about these barrel boxes is that they turn green when any part of the gun is touching them, and they're red when the gun is not touching them. What you're going to want to do is have your gun touching the barrel box when the countdown timer before round hits 0. When it hits 0, you're going to be able to pull your gun up and shoot as normal. But if your gun is not touching the barrel box when the countdown hits 0 and the round starts, you're going to hear an error sound and you're going to be enforced a 3-second penalty to where your gun does not operate. So we can take a look at how that works real quick now. All right, so I'm going to swap spawn points because we do save your preferred spawn point now. I'm going to touch the barrel up, and when it hits 0, I'm going to pull up, and I can start shooting immediately. So that's your expected behavior if your gun was touching when the countdown hits 0. It should act just as it always has. The idea here is that it's going to add a different meta mechanic to our breakout game to where your gun is typically going to be either right behind you or off to your side, and it's going to prevent kind of pre-aiming your break and spamming the trigger waiting for your gun to activate at 0. So let's take a look now at what happens when you are assessed the penalty and your gun's not touching the barrel box. Cool, so if you'll see, I spawned in at the same spawn point relative to the side of the field that I saved from the last point. And what I'm going to do is pull up early, and then you're going to hear that error sound, and then 3 seconds, and then I'm able to start shooting. This does not prevent you from moving during those 3 seconds. It just puts the penalty on your gun and gives it a 3-second delay before activating as it typically would when the countdown hits 0. Again, what we're hoping to see here is more spread breakouts, less kills off the break, so that players have a chance to make some of those wider bunkers and make for a more interesting game. Let us know how it works. Try out also selecting different spawn points and seeing how they spawn you the next round in that same position. And we'll keep changes coming through these next few weeks of preseason and settle everything in before season 1. Cool. Thanks, y'all.